The following type of the growth plate fracture may have similar radiological appearance. That means growth, in case of growth plate fracture, which of the two are this similar? Here the options are the Salter Harris type 1 and 5, Salter Harris type 4-5, Salter Harris type 3-5, 1-2 and 1-3. So we have to find out one of the option in which the Salter Harris type are the same radiological appearance. Now see the different type of the Salter Harris classification. First of all, this is the normal appearance of a bone in this condition. This one is the growth plate and the bones in either part. In case of the Salter Harris type, the Salter Harris is type by type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In case of Salter Harris type of 1, it is the straight. So just the side of the growth plate there is a single linear fracture occurs in case of the type 1, and in case of type 2 it is above. That means the fracture goes above from the growth plate. In case of the type 3 it is lower. That means this fracture it goes lower or below the growth plate. In case of type 4 it is T or through or T. That means it goes both in the upper part bone and in the lower part bone. And in case of the ER, it is the erasure of growth plate or crash. That means the fracture occurs through this growth plate and it is the dangerous fracture among this wall. So Salter Harris, they are classified type 1 to type 5, and mnemonic is Salter, SALTER. This is the mnemonic. S for straight or across, A for above, type 3 which is L, L for below, T for through or two sides of the bone, and ER, that means the erasure of the growth plate. And here we can see these three are different from each other, but type 1 and type 5 they are similar and they have the same radiological feature. So this Salter, again the Salter type 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In case of 1 which is S for straight, A for type 2 above, L for lower, T for through and E for erasure or crash or everything injury. So what type of growth radiological appearance? Which are the similar? The similar are the Salter Harris type 1, 2 and 5. Salter type 1 and Salter type